Good morning, Year 8. Welcome to my explanation and solutions for this week's work, which is due on Friday. Today I'm going to run through the solutions to collecting like terms. Hopefully you can read that. I'll just move my cursor across, make this a little bit bigger. As big as I can get it, I think. As big as I can get it. Okay, so starting from the top up here, it says select the like terms from each list below. So I can see that 4p and 2p are like terms, the rest, and 1p, all three are like terms. Let's move this across a little bit. My apologies. Okay, so in the next one, I can see that m squared and 3m squared are like terms, but the other three are not like terms. M, N, and Mn are all unlike terms. Across here, I can see that 5ac and 7ca are like terms, and the reason being is that AC and CA, the order doesn't matter. I can also see that 3 and 5 are like terms. So numbers can be added together, they are like terms. 4a, if you like, is the odd one out. Going across here, I can see that VW and WV are like terms, and 5V and 9V are like terms. The other two are unlike. Okay, going across here, I can see that P doesn't match with anything, but PQ, 6PQ, 2QP, 3PQ are like terms. The first and the last don't match up. Going across to the end, I can see that 2D and 3D are like terms. I can see the numbers 5, 9, and 2 are like terms. And these two, 3D cubed and 7D squared, are unlike terms. They can't be added together. Going across to the bottom row here, I can see that 4MN goes with 2NM and 1MN, and the other three are unlike terms, so I won't underline them. Second last one, x squared y and x squared y, they're like terms. 2x and 3y are unlike terms, so I won't circle them. Question I know that 7, 9, and 2 are like terms. And 2a doesn't go with anything, 4b doesn't go with any, 5ba. 5ba matches with 1ab. They're the same as each other, they're like terms. I'll just rub that out and pause it. Okay, just scrolling up. My screen across here. Where are we? Okay, question 2. What are the like terms? In question 2, it's a multiple choice answer. The like terms are 3AB and 2BA. So the answer is C. In question 3, simplify each term by collecting like terms. So 4k plus 7k is 11k. Like terms, the answer is 7mn. Doesn't matter if you wrote nm or mn. We normally write them in alphabetical order, so m comes before n, but it doesn't really matter. 1xy plus 1xy is 2xy. These are all like terms, so 3 plus 4 plus 2 is 9. The answer is 9, A, B, C. Like term, like term, like term, so 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 8x squared. Again, like term, like term. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5EF squared. Like term, 8 take away 3 is 5, 5D. Like term, so 12 take away 7 is 5, 5MK. Like term is good, so 12 take away 7 is 5, 5 take away 1 is 4, 4XY. Like term, 8 take away 12 is minus 4, so minus 4ED or DE, I'm going to write DE. Like term, 6 take away 3 is 3, 3k squared. Like term, 4 take away 1 is 3, 3w squared. That's my thing. Just rub this out, so leave that on there for you to see. Sorry if that's not very neat. I'll leave that on there, okay, and take it off. Okay, I'll just scroll up. Okay, so scrolling up, multiple choice question. Which expression up here is simplified? Sorry, which expression is this simplified? So one of these is the correct answer after you have simplified. I'll just make this a bit smaller so you can see. Yeah, a bit too small. Question 3, which one we're doing? 4. Get that up, mate. Too big. Okay, can't get that exactly right. All right, so 2m. So the way we do this is, I don't know how well you can read that, but 2m take away 5m is minus 3m. 4p take away 2p is plus 2p. So the answer is going to be C. Hopefully you can read that okay. So I'm going to move down to the rest. So I'm now going to do question 5. Okay, and I'll make that a little bit bigger if I can. How big can I get that? That's about as big as I can get it and keep it on. So, just fix this up. Okay, so I'm now going to simplify all of these. Now, one of the confusing things are the pluses and minuses. And one way I go around that is to put boxes around each of the terms. Can be useful. So I'm going to say, right, 5k, the minus goes with the 2j, the plus goes there, and I can say, right, 5k plus 6, sorry, 5k doesn't go with anything, so I write that down. Minus 2 plus 6 is plus 4, so the answer is 4j. You can't add those two terms together. Here, I could put boxes around there if I like. Can be useful. 10ab, take away 1ab is 9ab plus 2. Again, in question C, put a box, put a box, put a box. I can say that 12m squared, take away 5m squared is 7m squared plus 2m. So you can put boxes around each term just to make the pluses and minuses a bit clearer, just to see where they belong. All right, so if I go on to question D, I can put boxes around here. Don't know how well you're seeing that on the screen, it looks okay. So I can say 12s squared, take away 2s squared is 10s squared. And you're left with minus 7st. Going across, I don't have a lot of room to fit in here, but 4mn plus 7mn is 11mn. mn minus, I'll do that again, I've made a mistake. If you look at this, they are all like terms, 4mn, 7mn and 1mn, so it's 4 plus 7 is 11, take away 1 is 10, the answer is 10mn. Across here, 14k goes with the minus 5k, so 14k take away 5k is 9k, and then plus 3. All right, y squared, let's see, 1y squared plus 2y squared minus y squared is 2y squared. Let's see, 9d plus 3d is 12d minus 4e. Which one are we doing here? The 7 and the 3 go together. 7 take away 3 is 4. 4 minus 2x is the answer. I might just rub some of this out so it doesn't get in the way. I'm just going to rub all of this out. Okay, we are up to J. So GB, 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 they're all the same. So 15 take away 8 is 7, plus 1 is 8. 8GB or BG, it doesn't matter. Let's see, the 4 and the 5 are like terms, so that's 9 minus 2q. The C's go together, so it's 5A plus 2C, and there we'll finish question 5. I'll rub that out. Sorry if I'm rushing this a bit, but you can always pause it. I can always go slower in the next one. So just trying to play around with this technology myself. Just trying to get things a bit bigger. It's a pain. I'll try to make things a bit bigger next time so you can see maybe one question at a time. All right, so just going on, I think you can see that on the screen, all right. Okay, 4x take away 1x is 3x, minus y minus 2y is minus 3y. That's right. Okay, next one. Write this out. 7ab minus 3ab is 4ab. And these two go together. 2bc plus 1bc is 3bc. Right. Okay, next one. These two go together, gives you 9k squared. These two go together, plus 11. Last question, I think. These two go together, so that gives us 6bc. And these two go together, minus 8 minus 1 is minus 9a. Hopefully that gives you a bit of insight into this week's work. I'll try and do this with you guys every week. So it kills two birds with the one stone. It gives you the solution, so you don't have to be, wait for me to mark it. You can check on this. You can pause the video, but it can also be used to help you do the work. So I try and set one of these each week for you guys. Okay, good luck.